How to get legendary weird water artifact in Stalker. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To obtain legendary weird water artifact, you'll need to head to specific location within the zone. Start by making your way to the swamps or to Agroprom Research Institute, as these areas are known for spawning the weird water artifact. Be prepared for intense anomalies and dangerous mutants that guard these zones. The artifact itself can usually be found near anomaly clusters, so keep your eyes peeled for any unusual environmental effects. Once you locate the artifact, make sure to have a strong suit to protect yourself from radiation and other environmental hazards. And that's how you get the legendary weird water artifact in Stalker. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.